figured I'd make that the video for y'all to enjoy. Get a little sub shot. What's going on, everybody? It's Jacob Varl. So, last build update. Officially announced that I was going to be removing my single sub build, so no more single sub. Going to be doing a big long vlog process build updates, probably 10 to 12 videos or more, showing y'all all of the things it takes. For me, is the way I do it with building a huge wall build in this truck again. So I didn't do anything like that last time I had my 415s wall build, 4th order. It was pretty much the finished end result, but now I want to do the step-by-step process, just like I did with the back hatch here. Same thing when I did with the roof, with all my testing and tuning, but I want to be able to do this with a build vlog process of showing you everything I do on this. So not the prettiest build here, but of course I'm going to be doing some talking as I do the unreveal process. So like right now I'm trying to get rid of everything I can to know what I got to work with, and I'll have a conversation with y'all showing you what I think about it, with what I'm planning, give you a breakdown of what to look for and stuff like that. I'm no expert at building. I've done a few builds for myself, nobody for anybody else, but definitely have some experience, and hopefully some of y'all will enjoy this kind of content, something different from just demo videos. So one down thing I would like to mention about this, with me doing this, is it's a lot of work, especially with me having all this tape all over the place. So I literally have to untape everything. So all of these extensive testings I've done, I have to untape. So like I already took my amp out, took my battery out, I unhooked the fuses to the back, the front area, took my 4-channel amp out. Pretty much everything electrical wise first I removed before I actually take out anything else. That way I know I'm safe to say nothing is going to be powered or grounded on the back end for me to take this out. So it's probably going to take me about 2 days, probably 2 10-hour days to get this all emptied out. And this is just going to give you a little update on that, so stay tuned. A lot of build series updates to come on the second channel, Jacob Varl 2. And of course the main channel, Jacob Varl, as well. You'll be able to see a lot of this. So appreciate y'all watching, and I'll show y'all in a minute how things are looking after I work on it. I'm not going to show y'all every step, but I'll give you a quick glimpse each time I work on more and more. All right, got my port out, some of the tape removed slowly. Definitely can tell this is going to be time consuming. Forgot to mention earlier, I think I forgot, but you definitely want to check out the build update reveal on the main channel with how much, as far as like the SPL score was that I got on it, full build update, what the plans are. Definitely want to recommend watching that. I'll put it in the description as well. But that should be interesting for you to see the new high score that this sub reached, just by taking the seats out, and it was a little colder. Definitely gained a good bit from that. So if anybody's watched from a few months ago the build updates, then it'll be definitely exciting to watch that. So, trying to post on both channels build updates. Not everybody knows about the second channel yet, and I make it work with what I got. I don't have the best tools. I'm not the best craftsmanship on this, but looks like it's almost there. But loading wall was here. Of course, other videos I made where I had the loading wall started here. I shrunk it down, opened my port up, added a round over in both ends, and that was like half a dB gain there. It's not all about SPL, but I try to get as loud as I can with what I got. Just want to make sure I'm not missing any. Nope, I'm not. Not missing any tape there. All right. Almost out. So it's definitely looking promising. Let me know what y'all think in the comments. Grab the hammer real quick. It's a good thing to be sturdy. There we go. It's about out now. That's what tape did. All that tape kept that thing adhesively stuck in place. So, got the loading wall out. So this was a 6-to-1 ratio 4th order for that single 12 there. Holy smokes. So we'll let y'all show you in a second the shot of the subwoofer when I get it out. All right, I'm back. Took out the chamfer back panel here, loading wall out. braces here. I had to use the jack to do that. So now I got the subwoofer officially unmounted. About to show you all this beast. Single phi SP4 V2 plus 12. Sadly, they discontinued this sub, but hey, I got to use one for testing and fun for over a year. So I think it was about a year actually. Let's take it out, see how it looks. I haven't taken this thing out since I mounted it, so this will be interesting. I haven't actually worked with this sub at all. The sealed section was never tweaked or changed. So, and it's heavy. Oh, sorry if I'm in the way. Want to make sure y'all get the first shot, initial shot when I get it out. Always took care of it. I baby my stuff, but of course I have done a lot of burping to clipping, so got one spot chipped. Whoops. But yeah, there it is. Wow, that's a nice sub. See how loose it is. It's definitely a little looser than it was when I bought it new, but it's still really stiff. Single 12 there. Thing looks really beefy. Let me know what y'all think in the comments. Lower it down. Yeah, right there. It's a nice big sub. Let me know what y'all think in the comments on this. And of course, like I said, check out my second channel, or my main channel, Jacob Viral, for a video on what plans are for this. But in summary, you're going to be doing, I'm getting rid of the sub. I might do some testing with it, but get a wall build with budget subwoofers. With the equipment I already have. So like I already have a battery, I have a high output alternator and an amp. I just got to figure out what subs I want to do for the 4th order wall build that I'm going to be building. And a numerous series of parts sequence to that. And I'll be posting those on my main channel. So you'll actually see my main channel for a lot of the sequential parts. I'll also do some partial parts, sub-sequence partial processes of all my build logs on the main channel and second channel. The main channel will be most of the main stuff, and you'll also see a good bit here on the one y'all are watching. So subscribe to both of them and enjoy both of the channels with a lot of content and demo videos to come. Not the prettiest right now. You can tell it got a little scuffed up sliding it out, but you can clean that up. Coil looks really nice and new still. 4-inch coil. This subwoofer is rated at 3,500 watts RMS. I was putting 6,000 watts at half ohm amp to it. I clamped around 4,000 watts to it on a burp to clipping, so definitely did well there. Another thing I like to say about this is it is a higher FS for being a extra spider, so I had 6 spiders on this, so the FS of it was a little higher too. Definitely impressed with it, happy with it. So single phi 12. On to newer things, more budget subwoofers than this massive beast. Thanks for watching. Figured I'd do a shot before I end it here. See how it looks up close. Went ahead and just cut these. So that's what it was in, sealed section chamber. It was a triple baffle. I actually originally had this with the 10-inch subwoofer, and I opened it up and added another 2 baffles to it. So that was pretty cool. The actual sealed section with the motor in it, it's a 1.25 sealed enclosure with the sub magnet in it. I was right at 1 cube sealed net, but that's what it was in. So don't know, we'll see. Exciting build updates to come. That's how it's looking right now. Coils still look good. Of course, the magnet's got some rub on it. I haven't cleaned it off or anything. That's just from when I was sliding on the side. Looks a little better on this end because it didn't slide. Really beefy. Single 12-inch subwoofer though. Sadly, they don't make them anymore. I figured I'd make that in the video for y'all to enjoy. Get a little sub shot of the custom sub I had before I go into the wall build updates. So I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you haven't. Hit that like button. What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Viral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.